Hello traders, today is the 17th of July 2023, first trading day of the week. What a blessing beginning of the week, guys. Amazing trade, guys, on pound, yen, euro yen, and the dollar yen. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in pound yen. So at the market open, we had a short trade here because as you can see the previous price action, price respected this level. So we had also short trade here. Once the price respected this high, we were expecting a long. We also had a long trade here. We were expecting might gonna break this long, but later on market refused. Then afterwards we also had a short trade here, and the target around this level you can see here, which price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help out my traders to squeeze amazing profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys. If you look at here, let me my analysis, you can see at the market open, that was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback short trade here, London morning session, just before market London open, we have this beautiful breakout short trade here, especially as explained to my trader when the price broken. After the breakout, price nicely retest, beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as explained my trader, let's wait for the market reaction. As you can see, as based on this analysis, because we were watching in 4 hour, as you can see here, the price nicely broken. As explained my trader, if we see the pullback, then we're gonna, first priority is gonna be the pullback. If you look at the market, did not develop any pullback, we haven't seen any red candle. So as explained, that's what I explained. You can see here, let the market break this wedge. If not, then let the market break, because this is what we can consider false breakout, and we're gonna see a nice rally. So you can see here price nicely broken. After the breakout, you can see here the price nicely developed another pullback, previous high, bar profit target hit, exactly said to my traders, time to bank some profit. Right, so after banking this profit, we can see here we have another beautiful, as we're looking at the price action, we were expecting that the price should stay above this level, as you can see here. So we were expecting, but the price refused. After impulsive, we were expecting correction, but instead of correction we have impulsive back. That's what exactly we're seeing. Okay, now let's see here if the market is going to retest this level, give us the confirmation, then we are looking at short trade here. So you can see exactly market retested, give us the confirmation, pull back, one trade here, second trade here, third trade here, fourth, five trades as soon as the price is reversing, and that's what explained my traders, time to enjoy a very decent profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but you can enjoy more when you're watching all that analysis in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.